Park Ridge Villas is a special community. We're located in fast-growing Spring Hill with a prime location right next to the Veterans Expressway for an easy commute into Tampa, but away from the hustle and bustle of the city.
Here, you can live the outdoor lifestyle to the fullest. You'll find some of the best parks in the Northwest Florida just minutes from your new home, and you'll have direct access to the Suncoast Trail, perfect for a scenic walk or a bike ride. Stick your toes in the sand at Hernando Beach, less than 15 minutes away, perfect for some weekend fun in the sun.
Are you a pickleball enthusiast or want to learn how to play? Take advantage of your 2 private pickleball courts right here in the community. You'll find a robust event calendar in the area too. From farmers markets to art shows and parades, there's something for everyone.
You don't have to sacrifice on space to stay within your budget. Whether you're looking for main level living or want to live a lock and leave low maintenance lifestyle, you'll love our spacious 3-bedroom, 2-bath floor plan. Plus all the storage you'll need in your 2-car garage.
You'll get to personalize your new home to match your style with our perfectly coordinated designer finishes without having to worry about how much you might spend in a design studio or stress out about whether your home will look great. We make it so easy. Buying a new home can feel overwhelming. At Ryan Homes, we make it easy for you with our in-house lender and streamlined purchase process so you can focus on the fun part, building your new home. You'll meet with our team to review your plans and we'll answer any questions you may have. And we'll keep you involved in the construction with weekly progress updates with pictures and videos too. We'll be here for you along the way from the day you walk into our model until we hand you your keys. And you'll be part of the Ryan Homes family for years to come. Start pitching your life here. We know you're going to love it.